Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. It is an honor to have you here. If you are new here, welcome to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for your love and support. In today's video, we are preparing Angwamo, which is the oil rice. So please stay tuned and enjoy. I will be using rice and onion, which is the basic ingredient. The rest will come in the process. So my oil is heated in the pan. I'm adding my onion and give it a stir. I will let it fry for some minutes before adding my rice. At this point, I'm going to ground the pepper, and Angwamo always go with hot pepper. So I have my habanero, some ginger. I also have garlic. I'll be adding my onions, and I don't want to use fresh tomatoes, so I'm using the red bell pepper. So I'll grind it together, and also I'll be adding my fried egg and my sardines to the rice. Our rice is ready, served with fried egg, sardine and pepper. Looking so beautiful and yummy. Wow, share a movie and kono. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So I come your way. Peace be with you.